The cabbage has never been as versatile as in this recipe. We'll need 300 grams. Chop it completely. Prepare a pan with boiling water and add the cabbage. Let it cook for just 2 minutes. Then we drain the cooking water. We're using cold water to stop the cooking process and set aside. Return to the pan and add olive oil to taste. Add a sliced red onion, a grated carrot, and half a chopped green pepper. Let it fry for 2 minutes. At this point, add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Stir. Now we'll add the cabbage back and mix it with the rest. Add 2 chopped tomatoes, chopped green onions to taste, and 200 grams of mayonnaise. Mix well. Now it's ready to serve. Of course, it's not just the cabbage, but the whole combination of vegetables that turns a simple salad into a complete meal. A light and delicious combination, perfect for any meal. If you like this idea, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more practical recipes for your daily routine. Also, feel free to leave your comment below with your thoughts and preparation suggestions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.